Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the CCNA exam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam topics, which cover network fundamentals, security, automation, and more. The current exam, 200-301, has about 100 to 120 questions. It's crucial to understand the weight of each section. Plan to spend at least 3 to 4 months studying diligently to cover all the material thoroughly. To study effectively, select a primary resource like a well-regarded online course or a detailed textbook. Many successful candidates recommend ODM's official cert guide. Complement this with video lectures from platforms like CBT Nuggets or Udemy. Regularly test your knowledge with practice questions. Aim for an 80% score before moving on. Engaging with a study community can also provide valuable insights and motivation. Hands-on practice is absolutely vital for the CCNA. Use network simulation tools like Cisco Packet Tracer or GNS3 to configure routers and switches. Spend at least 50% of your study time in labs. Create various network scenarios, such as setting up VLAN, OSP, or IGUP. This practical experience solidifies theoretical knowledge and prepares you for real-world networking challenges. As your exam day approaches, ensure you've completed several full-length practice exams. Aim for consistent scores above 85%. On the day before, avoid cramming. Instead, review high-level concepts and get a good night's sleep, ideally 8 hours. Arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes early to settle in. Stay calm, read each question carefully, and manage your time wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.